Hello friends, welcome to Mavin production. I'm Nerozali. Today I have brought another tutorial for you guys. So we are going to make actually I'm going to make a glass text effect. Hope you guys will like it. So let's get started by creating a new canvas. Okay, and then change the color. Hit Alt backspace because my first color is dark, and if it would be white, then then it would be white. The color would be, if you want to apply white, so that is Control backspace. And for the first thing, set foreground is Alt backspace, and set background is Control backspace. So okay, and unlock this background by double click and then name it to BG, and then select it, come right over FX icon, gradient overlay, reverse the gradient, select, and then drag this to 20%, hit and create another slider, and then set it to 65%. Change the color whatever you want. I'm going with the blue. Hit OK, and then again change this slider to black. Okay, 65, 25, and OK. Hit OK, and then again hit OK, and then we're going to text something, and then inverse this color, hit letter M, whatever you want to write. Okay, for this glass text effects you must have right here Anja Alien found, and then you can download it from internet. Just type on Google that Anja Alien found and you will get it easily. Just download and copy that to your window font, which exists in your my computer's local C drive, and just copy that, and then Windows, and then font, yeah, okay, and then paste it over here, Anja Alien. Where is mine? Anja Alien. Yeah, right here I'm having Anja Alien normal regular. So just paste it and you will have it on your Photoshop. If not, then again open it, close it, and open it, so you'll have that. And remember the other these properties: smooth 72, and then the middle. Okay, and so hit the move tool, and then select this layer and hit Control A on your keyboard. Hit this button and the second one, because it will keep the letter in the middle of this canvas. And again Control T to dislike the selection, and hold Shift key and then push the up arrow key twice. And then what we are going to do, we are going to play with the blending mode and applying some effect on this letter. So come right over FX blending options, set the fill to 0, and then the inner shadow, change the blend mode to normal, the color to white. You are having a bit there's a bit outline, and the size is to 0, and then to outer glow, color to white, set the size to 8, and then we'll play with bevel and emboss. Change the style to pillow emboss, and the depth to add 100%, and the size to 9, and angle to 120 by 30. Glass contour, if you're having, will show on that ring. Click it and then leave the rest as default, and then come to gradient overlay, change the blending mode to screen, and the opacity to 23, the gradient, and then hit a slider to 50%, and then change this slider to dark. OK, so hit OK, and then minimize the all effects. And then again, what we are going to do next, to hold alt key, it will duplicate your these hold alt key, hold alt and shift key, it will duplicate your this text whatever you want to write, so it will be easy for you. So I'm going to write something else, and again we are going to change the text name, n, select it, Z. So I have written Zaman, and then bring this M text to the top, and then the A a bit near the behind the M, and then bring this N beneath this A, and then this Z beneath this A, and it is done. So next thing we are going to do is to change this color, and then play with actions. Come right over window, menu, action, alt plus F9 shortcut, and then we are going to create new action 3. You can make a shortcut key, but we'll leave it as none. Hit record, and then hold control key on your keyboard and hit this text Z, and then again hold alt and then hit create new layer, and then come right over filter, render cloud, and then again filter to filter gallery and glass, and leave the distortion to 20, smoothness to 1, texture to thinner lengths, and scaling to 55%, and hit OK. So we are enter deselect, we are going to apply the same thing on the rest of this text. So for that we need action, and stop this, and again just select the A letter and then press play. So what will happen, it repeated the same effects that we have did on the Z letter, and then again the rest of them. So we are done here, and then select the layer 1 of Z and duplicate it, Ctrl J, change the blend mode to overlay, and then again duplicate this layer to duplicate, and then merge these 3, and then set the fill to 5%, and then again we're going to do the same thing on the rest of this. So I'm going a bit fast. So we are done here. We are going to combine these all text and with their effects in a group. So select all of them and then hit Ctrl G on your keyboard to make a group. And next we are going to create a light line beneath these texts. So select the BG and then hit new layer, and then come right over elliptical marquee tool, and then you can just close this icon actions, sorry, and then just beneath this hold alt key on your keyboard and then drag this much. Yeah, so our this background set background color is white, so we are going to hit Control plus backspace and Control D to deselect, and then zoom out a bit, and then come right over filter, our blur and motion blur, and then set the distance to 200 pixels and okay, and then we are going to make it a bit bigger, so hit Control F, 1 2 3 4 5 6, as much as you want. And then we have seen that this is a bit dark, so for that, if you want to make it bright, just copy this layer one, just make it the duplicate, Control J, just like you see, and then merge these two layers again, Control E, and then just position it, reposition it, yeah, and then okay. Next we are going to do very simple thing, but that is also related to light line. We are going to rename it to light line. Okay, yeah, so select it and then come beneath C letter, and then again elliptical marquee tool, and then just in the middle, hold alt key, and then next, once we have selected, so what we are going to do is to hit Control J to duplicate. See, we have another small light line. So again we are going to do the same thing, and to filter, to blur, to motion blur, and then this time we are going to set the distance to not 200 pixels but 20 pixels, and then okay, and it is done. Okay, we are going to do the same thing beneath MAN, so I'm going a bit fast. Okay, so we are done here, and then next we are going to just select this light line, and we're going to give outer glow. Come right over layer style, and outer glow must be blue because I have selected the blue color, and so it should be, and hit OK, and then merge these all light lines till the top, Control E. We have merged, and then we are going to make the reflection of the zaman. Okay, just duplicate this group 1, Control J, and then Control T to select, and then right click, flip vertical, and then hold shift, drag it down, okay, attach it with this light line, yeah, hit the mask, and then make sure these colors must be black, both of them, and then B for brush tool, and no, sorry, B, no, G for gradient. Select this one, hit OK, and from this from here, hold shift key and the bottom of that upper text, understand, and I'm going to set the opacity to 50%. And next, almost we are done, but next we are going to just apply some other thing. uh, Sorry, click BG in the background and then create new layer, come to filter, render clouds, and then change the blend mode to color dodge, so you can leave it as it is, that depends upon you. And then we are going to do the same thing, apply mask, and then this time we are going to hit B for brush tool, and then apply it, apply. Okay, and we are done, I think. Yeah, we are done. So I hope that you guys like my these tutorial glass text effects. Thanks for watching.